Check out this 1-minute design review from Duck Chu. This design is for a USB gateway and it uses STM32. On the reset switch, you might consider debounce. The internal Schmidt trigger only has 200 millivolts of hysteresis and there's an internal pull-up. I didn't quite understand the current limit or current sense circuit here. You have to then pass that signal through a bunch of FETs and some amps and then some other resistors. That wasn't exactly clear to me, but I trust that you did it correctly. Now, when I jump into the PCB layout, one thing I noticed almost immediately was the really tight spacing between these USB lines. Here, you're using USB lines on a 2-layer board and you have wide spacing to the nearby ground. So that forces you to use these wide lines with very narrow spacing. If you go to 4 layers, it would allow you to space out those lines a little more and that could offset the cost of going to a 4-layer board. You're routing some of these traces over splits in the lower layer. If you go to a 4-layer board, that will also help solve this problem. Want to have your design reviewed on the channel? Come find me on LinkedIn and send me your design or production files.